Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, today we have some couple of news. We have prelim GDP at 1:30 Ghana time, unemployment claims, durable goods order, all at 1:30 Ghana time. Okay, so let's look into it. Prelim GDP, we are expecting neutral. Unemployment claims, we are expecting negative. Core durable goods order monthly, we are expecting negative. Durable goods order monthly, we are expecting positive. Prelim GDP, we are expecting neutral, all at 1:30. 2:45, Chicago PMI, we are expected positive. 3 o'clock, Core PCE price index, we are expecting neutral. Pending home sales, we are expecting negative. So these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us today. So let's go back to the chart. The market has been in the consolidation state, but it's still moving, because if you look at this state, it's about 200 and something pips, right? 300 pips almost. So it's still good. All right. So what is happening to gold markets daily time frame? Now, if you look at daily, this is what is happening now. So you can see that we had a strong push on Monday, and yesterday we were expecting some nice pushes as well, but we didn't really get that nice push. So you see that it came testing this level and pushed up, closed bullish. So since that candle closed bullish, can we say that gold is still going to push up? It can happen. Since the weekly candle has not closed yet, anything at all can happen on daily time frame. All right. So what is likely to happen today? Now, if you look at daily very well, we have potential to test the 2657 level. All right. And we have potentials to come back to 2607. Yesterday's low, or can even take yesterday's low. We are about to take yesterday's high. All right, for that one, I'm sure you've seen already. Yeah. So that is what can happen today on daily. This candle can close bearish today by going somewhere 2560. If the move is massive today and it wants to go bearish, that can happen. Because if you look at this particular candle, it means the next candle can drop. At the same time, the next candle can push up. All right. So if you ask me, I'll be expecting gold to hit 2657. Then from there, probably we can look for a sharp sell, because we are expecting more negative news today. All right. So H4, what's happening? Now, if you look at H4, this is what is happening. Yep. So this is where the market tested yesterday and started dropping. And now, if you look at it very well, you can see that H4 structure is broken. Right. Yeah, yesterday it formed resistance here, H4. Now the resistance has been broken already. Right. And it is testing yesterday's high. So, are we going to see something like a pullback for a continuation push to the upside? Or what are we going to see today? We don't know yet. We have to wait. and see what is going to happen. All right. So there can be something like this. Then it pushes all the way to those levels right here. Okay. This is the first level and this is the second one. All right. Yeah, so we can expect something like this and a push to the upside. At the same time, we can also expect a push to break this level and then continue on pushing to the downside. All right, whatever happens, we don't know yet. So we will have to wait and see to the end. Okay. Yeah. So let me take you to H1 and see if we can get something there. Now, if you look at H1, yesterday in the afternoon, I was expecting that this cell would tap on the trend line, but it couldn't really reach there and it started pushing up. So you can see that we have some kind of a nice pattern right here, a bear flag, right? Yeah, a bear flag right here. So can we expect that this level will still drop and then break here and continue on falling down? Or it's going to break, test, and keep flying? All right. So when you come to H1, that is what is happening. And if you look at it very well, you see that there is more potential for it to break to the upside than it breaking to the downside. Why am I saying that? I'm saying this because look at anytime it comes to the support, look at what it does. You see that it is climbing up, and this one too is climbing up, right? So potentially it breaks the resistance, then test, then we'll fly. All right. So just wait, exercise patience, and let's see to the very end. All right. So for me, once this level is broken, then it means we can fly gold to the upside. Okay. Yeah. Once that level is broken, we can fly gold to the upside. Now, 30-minute time frame, what is happening? Okay, so if you look at 30 minutes, you see the same thing happening here. And you see that a lot of rejections here too. So wait for a breakout, okay? Wait for a solid breakout, then you can actually go into the markets and pick some trades. So according to 30-minute time frame too, you can see that this level already break out, right? You already have a breakout here. Yeah, you already have a breakout right here. So if there is going to be a pullback, potentially it's going to be able to break this level as well and then keep flying. Something like this is what we can expect today. All right. But like I said earlier, we have no idea. This market behaves the way it wants. So what you need is to wait, exercise patience, and let's see, once we get a good opportunity, we will go into the markets and trade. All right. We'll go into the market and trade. So just sit back and relax yourself. Let's see to the end of today. Guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you like the video as well, comment and share. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, The link is in the bio. If you are watching on TikTok and if you are watching on YouTube, the link is in the description. So you join so that you don't miss any updates. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. Until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.